Good morning, students. How are you all today? Hope you are doing great because we are working very hard for you all. I, Sabah Shaheen, as your biology teacher, welcome you all again in this amazing class. Today, I will teach biology of class 12th, chapter number 2, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants, where will we discuss about pre-fertilization events in flowering plants. Before moving to the topic, we must know about the pre-fertilization. So, what is pre-fertilization? The events which takes place before the fertilization, before the fusion of the gametes is called pre-fertilization. Okay? In which we will talk about the anther in details. Okay? Over here, what is anther? Anther is a terminal and typically bilobed structure, and each lobe has two theca. Okay? It is tetragonal structure consisting of 4 microsporangia located at the 4 corners. Okay, students? And these microsporangia develops into pollen sac. Just look at this diagram. This is the anther, and we have studied before that stamen is the male reproductive part, which consists two parts, anther and filament. Anther is a bilobed structure. Okay, and we can see this kind of structure. It is the tetragonal structure. Look at here, and each lobe consists two microsporangia. Look at here, two microsporangia. Okay, so this is the structure of a stamen. And now look at this. Here you can see 4 kinds of cell, that is epidermis, endothecium, middle layer, and this yellow is tapetum. Okay, a tissue is present which forms pollen grain. Okay, and what is the name of this tissue? Look at here, sporogenous tissue. Okay, sporogenous tissue divide itself. Above it, a layer are present called as tapetum. Okay, this is tapetum. Okay, students, these tapetum cells have white 2 nucleus and gives nourishment, gives nutrition to the cell which forms pollen grain. And look at this, outermost layer is epidermis, and inside it, next to epidermis, there is endothecium are present, and after it, middle layer is present. So these 4 kinds of layer: epidermis, endothecium, middle layer, and this is tapetum. Okay, now we must know what are the role of these layers. Okay, these 4 layers, especially epidermis, endothecium, and middle layer, provide protection to the pollen grain and when pollen grain get mature, then these layers get ruptured. Okay, and then pollen grain comes out. Understand, all of you? Now it's time for the homework. You all have to learn about this, and after the completion of the chapter 2, there will be a test for you all. And now it's time for the homework. Learn about structure of stamen. So, with this, I end my class today. Keep on learning. Enjoy your day. Bye, friends. Take care, all of you.